how to set up your watch. This is a Junior Protector watch. On your left top corner, there's a little compartment with a flap. You open the flap, that is where you install the SIM card. You will see on the back, on the rear cover, it shows you the position of the SIM card. So the SIM card size is a mini SIM card. You will install it with the contact points to the screen. I use a little screwdriver. You can use a toothpick and just insert it until you hear a click. After installation of the SIM card, you can close the little flap. You press the left bottom, left bottom button. That will switch the watch on. It takes a while to connect to the server. So firstly, it will show you the signal level at the left top corner. It will show you the steps, and then the battery level. It will show you the time and the date and the day. You will notice that the display switches off. It goes into standby. That is a function to save battery life. As soon as the watch is switched on, it will connect to the cell phone service, and you will need to wait until you see the edge of the data connection. The watch uses data to update to the server, so with your SIM card, ensure that you have enough airtime and data for the watch to function. You will see now that it already picked up our Wi-Fi connection, and it uses the position information on the Wi-Fi router to determine its position. If there's no location information on the router, it will triangulate its position using cell phone reception, the cell phone towers. That's unfortunately not too accurate. It's network dependent. It's also dependent on signal level, how many towers you can receive reception from, and if there's dates on the towers, if it's gap fillers. So the most accurate positioning will be through GPS. Okay, so let's start with the call function. If you press the right bottom button, you're actually able to scroll through the contacts that we previously set up. By selecting one of your contacts and pressing the button and keeping it pressed, it will actually dial. To stop the call, you press the right bottom button. Only the numbers that's programmed into the watch will be able to make calls to the watch, and that's also the only numbers you'll be able to dial out from the watch. The silver button, if you press the button and hold it, it will also give you a SOS call. This will send a notification to the app and also dial the administrator. At the right top hand corner, you have the voice note function. So by pressing the button, you can also go through the different administrators If you press and hold the button, you will be able to record a voice note. If you press the button again, it will send the voice note to the application. This will also use data, so again, just make sure that you have a data available on your SIM card from the service provider of your choice.